What's up guys? Matt with Legacy 4x4. I felt bad about leaving you guys on red for a lot of my projects, so here's a quick little update on the current status of all the projects, where they're going, and the future of most of my projects. First one first, my favorite, my baby, this 39 Chevy Rat Rod 4x4 monstrosity. It needs a new clutch. I installed the clutch wrong for whatever reasons. The pilot bearing isn't either pressed in all the way, or it's not mating right, or the clutch plate is put on backwards. You know, I don't know. I gotta take it apart, figure out where I messed up. So, you know, if you're inclined, go look at the video of me putting it together, see if you can see anything I messed up on, because like I said, the clutch master is all bled. It's getting the full throw of the entire arm, and it's just not shifting any gears whatsoever. So the next step for this 39 is going to be dropping the transmission, fixing the clutch issue while I'm there, and then I'm also going to redo some of the wiring that I'm not too happy with, and we're going to try and fix all the small problems on this. On to the next project, the Dodge. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with it right now. You know, I love the way it looks, but I hate that I can't get out there and go drive it. I have a plan to go get this thing trail-proofing at a local trail. It's about 2 hours away, but it has a lot of really good features. So as soon as I'm ready and the tow vehicle is done for that, I'm gonna go take it out there and we're gonna see what it can do. I do think before I go test this on the trail for the first time, do some nice rock crawling with it, I am gonna weld the rear axle. I was debating whether buying lockers for it, but I think, you know, it's just going to be trail driven. I'm literally about to deregister it, take the insurance off it, and keep it as a trail toy. And I think, you know, if that's going to be the way I go with it, I'm just going to weld the rear axle because it's the cheapest way to do it, and it's going to provide the most traction. And then if I need to, I'll put a locker in that front axle. But I think that dovetail really looks great back there. I just really think the wheelbase is a little too long. You know, as you can see, it's got the stock 1500 wheelbase, and I think that's just a little too long for the rock crawler with these 37s. Unless I'm going to be running like 44s, I don't think it's the proper dimensions. With that being said, I don't want to move all the way up to 44s. I think 37s are fine for the time being. I might go up to 40s, but that's besides the point, because the rear end is going to need work anyways to get the suspension redone. The point of me saying that is me saying that the rear end needs to get worked on anyways. So the rear suspension still has those outboard leaf springs. I'm going to inboard those, and that's going to, you know, be a whole process. Have to weld new mounts, do all that. And while I'm there, I might shorten the rear and just delete the whole dovetail and just, you know, snug everything up nice and close to the back of the cab. And I think that will fix my wheelbase problem. I think it'll allow me, because if I'm already going to be changing the suspension mounts, I might as well move it forward and fix the axle ratios, and then I can shorten the drive shaft, and I wouldn't have that much work into it. But yeah, that's the way I'm thinking about the Dodge. I think that's going to be, you know, the future of it, and I'm excited for it. Like I said, it's really hard to build all these cool things and then not go get to wheel them, so I really just need to get it out there and wheeling. Speaking of getting it out there and go wheeling, I sold my Escalade. I figured I haven't had a truck in a while, and my old OBS F350 was a great truck. You know, it had its issues, and I might have regretted selling it a little bit, but I'm really digging the Dodge right now in my life, so I went ahead and picked up a 1997 Dodge 2500 Cummins P-Pump Turbo Diesel, and you know, it's two-wheel drive, which is all I need, and it's pretty great because it only got 120,000 original miles on it. It was in a old guy's garage for 10 years in an estate sale, and it wasn't registered for a decade. And it's got the best engine you can possibly want for a tow vehicle / daily. So I'm really happy with it, and excited to see where that one goes. There's going to be a lot of custom work done to it. So yeah, that's the plan, and you know, our upload schedule is gonna stay the same. We're gonna do one major build video probably every Sunday, and then we'll do these little videos like this in between the weeks whenever we have them, if we wanna keep you guys updated, or if it's something that's not gonna be one of our main projects or main builds that we take a lot of time and money putting into. So with that being said, guys, I will catch you in a few days, and I will see you guys later.